What is mean by it? So what we need to do? Create product supply manager role. So where do we create this product supply manager role?
So user pane.
In user pane, we need to go to users pane and create. If I click on roles, you can see these are the different roles I have. So again I need to create the one more role, that is the product supply manager. And do I have any other each product supply manager? So first of all I need to give access for him, then I need to go next level. So product supply manager I will create. So whenever I click on roles, you can see product supply manager, he doesn't have any access. So all this module he doesn't have the any access. So then in that scenario what we need to think, each product supply manager should be able to update their assigned products and product SKUs, but only view the their assigned product family across all regions. So what is mean by it? How many product families we have? How many product families we have? How many product families we have?
Uh, 3.
4 product families we have, right? So four product families we have. So like if we have product supply manager should able to update their assigned product sign product SKUs, but view only their assigned product family across all regions means. So what is mean by it? View means what will we do? So
we
view
can
means
read. We can only read.
Only read. So 4 product family managers will be there generally. Product supply manager means, so he will update these things. What are product sign product SKUs? They will edit. Update means edit product sign product SKUs, P2 and P3 level, but P1 product family level only view. So what are the things he wants then? What are the things he wants? So here he wants whatever the modules we have. Here you can see I have created the product supply manager, and you can see whatever the product related modules we have in the supply chain module, we need to give the access. So what are the modules we have related? Product related inventory ordering module. What are the modules we have? Here also products family you have. Here also you have. In this module you don't have P2 dimension. So where are in which modules we have?
AD02.
You can see this one. So whatever in this user stories you can see, here also you have transportation 01. So these modules, what should I do? I need to give the access. First you need to think, for this module we need to give the access for him. In this user stories, transportation 01, give the access, and inventory 01, take write access and give this access to the wherever you have that dimension. So related to product you can give the right access. Inventory 04, you don't have anything related to that one, you can keep it, and you can give access for these modules for this user stories. So these are the we have. And apart from this one, where we have this P3 SKU dimension and product related, the system module, if we doesn't want to change anything, leave them, don't give access. So you can leave them. So these are the things I have given the access, right access. But they are mentioning they want access for P2 product and P3 SKU and P1 product family. They should not change anything. What should we do? selective access we need to give. So if I give the selective access, what option do I get? So again, if I select these things, you can see, if I want to again control P1 product family, I don't want to give access. Only read access only I want to give. So what should I do? I need to select this one, and whenever I am adding new user, so he is a product family supply manager I am adding. You can see it is P3 SQL level, everything is added. So it turned on here P3 SQL level, P1, P2, P3, everything is turned on. For P1 product family level, what should I do? I am adding supply manager, so these are the default users. Whenever I am adding new user, product family manager 1, product supply manager 2, you can see. So product supply manager 1, 2, 3, whenever I am adding, so for him what I do, product family level what I do, for all product family level what I do, I give the read access. Here you can see only read access I give, product family level. So apart from that one, what I do, P2 product I want edit access, P2 product level. So simply what I do, I give like this. So all products I will give edit access. Then what happened if I give like this? So I am trying to give P2 product and P3 SKUs write access. If I give, you can see. So I am trying to give P3 SQL level write access. Why it is not taking means, so already I have given parent level access, so write access, that is the reason. So it is not taking, already I have given here. So then what happens whenever I give this one, if I add the new user, so in that scenario myself I assign as a, instead of this one product supply manager, we need to assign and we need to check. So ourselves, whenever you are assigning product supply manager, so what are the modules we have given access? For this system module, did I give any access for him? For system module, yes, did I give access?
No, sir.
Is it opening? Not opening, right? It is not opening. You can see ask your workspace administrator for the access. So if I want to get open system01 module, what should I do? I need to go to roles, and for system module I need to give the some access, read or write access I need to give. So then only it will get open. Now if I go and if I try to open, you can see, so according to requirement only we give the access. You can see here, so it is open. So write access means, you can see it, I can edit. If I give only read access for this system module example, so for the users pane, if I give the only read access for this system 000 module only, for same scenario if I give only read access system 00, so this is a input line item, correct? It doesn't have any formula. You can see just now I have edited. Am I able to edit here? Can I select here something? Yes, I can't select, correct? So even though it is line item, it is the input line item, I can't change anything, only I can read. So this is a formula based, anyway you can see it is a formula based, I can't edit, but this is the input based line item, you can see. So it should be editable. So why it is only readable means, why it is only readable means I have kept only read access. Like this we need to check every module, we need to open how these are working. So you need to check this module is the editable. So you can see, so everything is editable. So whatever the input line item I have, so these line items will be submit purchase order request is there, for example. So this is, if it is a, so if I have boolean formatted line item, so if it is a not formula based line item, it should be editable. So why it is only readable? Why it is only readable? You can see. Now you can see. Now it is editable. P3 SKU is the editable. So like this we can see. So if it is editable means you can select here. So only readable means only we can view the data. So what are the dimensions we have given? So for example, if I create one module here, new module if I create, test module if I create, test. So P1 product family I don't want to give the right access, right? So simply I am giving test line item I am creating P1 product family with P1 product family. Role set for the module needs to be set. So test module I have created. For this set test module I need to give the access. I will give the right access. For test module I will give the right access for some time for the product supply manager. You can see. I go to modules. So is it readable or only writable? This line item. Yes. Why it is only readable? So this module I have given the right access, but this P1 product family what we have given in the selective access, whenever I add here for this one P1 product family level, what did I given? Yes,
Read access.
only read access we have given. So because of that one what happening? Only we can read the data. So for module I have given write access, but in the selective access I have given only read access. So instead of this one, if I give same thing here, write access, then what happened for the test module? Now what happened? Yes, it is editable, right? Editable. This is what we need to test. So we need to define some roles here. We need to create some roles, and you can see create one more role. So one more role you can create regional vice president, and we need to do the same thing. So each regional vice president should be able to view the distribution center modules, their assigned, able to view the distribution center located in their assigned regions. They should not able to change the capacity or standard shipping method in other distribution centers. So simple, we need to create one more role in the same user pane. So create, insert one more role here, regional vice president, you can see. So for this role what are the modules should I give the access, what they want to focus? You should able to view only their distribution center located assigned to their region. So we have the three regions we have. So each and every region we have the different regional vice president. So simply we want selective access. So if I consider America regional vice president, I should give the right access for the only America region. So other three regions I should give the read access. They should not able to change the capacity or standard shipping method in any of their distribution center. Means what access should I give for the distribution center modules? Capacity and standard shipping method I should not do anything. So what should I do?
Read access.
Only read access we need to give. So you can see for regional vice president, so where is my distribution center modules? You can see. So this one I want to give only read access. distribution center capacity and all, we should give the read access for this role. You can see this module distribution center summary also, you should give the read access. So they should only view the data. And again, so if I want to control him, region, he is the regional vice president, so I want to give only each and every region according to, if I am adding America region, if I select selective access, what happens? You can see I will get the again region selective access, it will get enabled, read and write. So whenever I am adding new user America user region, if I am adding, so what should I do? If I want to control for America, I want to give the write access, and other things if I want to give the read access, for example. So I will give for America region, he should only edit the America. In other two regions, if I want to give the read access, so simply what I do, so other two regions, Europe and Asia, I will give the read access. So if I have, even though if I don't want to show my other regions details, only my region details only I want to edit and I want to view. So other region details I don't want to view. So if we want to remove that user other regions credentials, they should not view. So simply you can see in this way we can remove. And so whenever we are doing all these things, what should we do? You need to go again our module sign. So what are the modules I have given access? So for which module I have given for this role, we need to assign ourselves as a, which access we need to assign ourselves? Regional vice president. So for regional vice president, what are the modules I have given the access? Yes, distribution center summary and these details I have given the read access, right? It will get open. So for these modules I have given the access, you can see. So both are will get open. So apart from these line items, if I apart from these modules, if I want to open any other module, will it get open? Yes, not will get open. So this is what we need to test. So whenever you are creating any new roles, so what are the modules and what are the list we want to give the access. So for modules we need to give the access in the roles. Here in the, we need to create the role, and here we need to give the access according to our requirement. Again, if I want to control the list, so each and every list, each and every item I don't want to give the access, all countries I don't want to give the access. So I have given the access for the G2 country list, it is fine. But again, if I want to give control only out of 13 countries, only I want to give the 5 countries or 10 countries. So in that scenario, what will we do? We'll create the selective access, right? We'll select on the selective access. Then what happened in the user's pane? I will get the country pop-up. You can see due to country pop-up I will get. So whenever I am adding new user, so like whatever the new user I am adding, his role is like regional vice president or anything. So it asks how many countries I should give the access for out of 13 countries. Out of 13 countries, I want to give only 5 countries or 4 countries I want to give access. Remaining countries I don't want to give the access. Then what happened? In this scenario? Yes, in this scenario what happened? So this is already region I have given the America, right? So that is the reason it is not taking the America once again. So America already I have given, only other region countries I didn't given. So then what happened if I open any module? So you can see myself, I have regional vice president, I can see America region details only, other region details I can't see. So if I go anywhere, so where I have the country, if I give the access here, so where I have given country access, system 05 I have the country. So system 06 also you have the location details. So for these modules I will give the access. Go to modules. So system 05 and 6 I will give the right access. So right access I will give system 05 and 6. and I will open these two modules. So I will open these two modules. So I need to go to modules and I need to open. Now what happened, you can see. So how many countries I can see? Generally for country dimension, how many countries you have? 13 countries. But here how many countries we can see?
Only Americas.
Only America's countries only we can see. For system 06, how many locations we have? 43 locations we have, but all are comes under the whatever the locations we have under the America region. So that only you can see, right? So if I increase in the user spend, few more means, so instead along with the America, if I select the Europe as well, then what happened? What happened now? Yes. What happening? How many countries I can see?
America and Europe.
Europe country details also we can see. So this is about how we need to give the how we create the role, and for that role what are the modules we should give the access, and we need to check ourselves. We don't have special activity. So for this one, special activity means this is only activity, like we need to create the role, we need to give the access for few modules, and we need to check so whether how many modules are opening for the particular role. We need to ourselves, we need to assign that role, and after assigning that role we need to check whether how many modules are opening, what are the modules opening. So these type of things do for the this selective access, role, module access. So these type of things will do. So is it clear
So,
how we are doing these things?
so here we are manually inserting the values. So can we do it if we have thousands of values? Can we do it by importing or by another method?
Yes, you have the other methods also. You have, if you have very large things, so you can import also, you can do that also option you have in the Excel file. Whatever how we are importing, the same way we will import these things. So if you have file, so just now whatever we have selected, like, right? So in the Excel file, if you, for example, if I select this one, selective access like this, so then one pop-up will get up in our user's pane. So in that scenario, what happened, you can see. So you will get one pop-up here. So manually, now I am doing the manually, right? So same thing, if I want to import, so what are the product families I want to import? So same Excel file I need to take, click on import, each and everything we need to map in the Excel file. How we map general list and all, same way we will import. So you will get that same data here, you will get the access. So this is about our roles and all, and try to complete these activities in our sprint 3 activities will get over. So in the conclusion, we have few one export activity we have. So if we complete that one, activity part will get over. The thing is, but we need to focus on interview questions. So I will guide you. So what we need to do. So and again, once you need to complete all these activities, and you need to start once again from the scratch. So level 2 activities from the data hub onwards you need to start. And one thing, and along with that one, you need to complete the